What's happening, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back to my channel. So today I just quickly want to be, teaching you how to use TradingView. As you can see, there's so many things on this platform that I think some of you do not know how to use them. I also don't use everything around here. So I only use few things on this platform. Yeah, but I think it will be nice for me to share on how other things are used on this platform. So yeah, I think we should just jump into it. Okay, I'll just start here on top. On this search button, that's where you find your symbols. So if you click on this top, it should show you something like this. If you go to all, it will show you all the pairs listed on this platform. If you go to stocks, if you're trading funds, if you're trading futures, forex, crypto, indices. So this is me right here. I only trade Nasdaq. So I will just look on this. I'm just going to look on this section over here. So this is where you will find your Nasdaq, your S&P 500, your US 30, your German 30, your UK 500, all those things. So bonds, economies, options, so yeah. But I don't think there's anyone who trade things like these economies. And I don't know, maybe they do. Maybe they do. Maybe there is people who trade those things. So yeah. So here you'll simply just find those things. Your pair, any pair that you'll be trading, you will just find it over here, or you just simply search it over here. Let's say we want, maybe for instance, um, USD. No, let's say we want VIX. Just search VIX. VIX. Yeah, you see, volatility S&P 500. You will find it over there. So yeah, that's simply it, guys. That is it here. So again, on this, um this is just if you want to compare the symbols. Let's say, for instance, there's a correlation, there's a inverse relationship between Nasdaq and the US dollar. So if you want to compare the US dollar and Nasdaq, you just simply come to this button. You add maybe the USD. For now, I'm just simply using another pair, but yeah. So for instance, if you know that there's an inverse relationship between Nasdaq and the US dollar, you just click there, insert your US dollar. It will show you something like this. So this is on Nasdaq. It will be something. It will show you an inverse relationship. Like if this US dollar is buying, Nasdaq will be selling. So if you're a smart money trader, that will help you, to for executions and stuff, because we use it for SMT divergence. That's the concept we use, the smart money concept, guys. So yeah, we call it the SMT divergence. So I'm not gonna touch on this video what it is and how we use it. So yeah, I don't think it's important. So if you want to delete, you just come to this and just remove it. So yeah, I'll just move. Then over here you have your weekly. This is where you will get your time frames. So you see, from all the way to 1 minute to up to 12 months. So you get your time frames over here. You can even get seconds, but if you are on premium, I'm currently not using the premium package because I don't think there's a need, man. I mean, basically this platform has everything you need. You don't even have to sign up for the premium package. So yeah, this will be simply your time frame. If you want to move to the 1 hour time frame, you see, you can easily move into that. Simple as that. So Yeah, but guys, this pair's moving so nice. Yo, damn. GBP USD. Wow, wow, wow. I don't know why I'm not trading this pair because it looks like it will be easy for me to trade this pair. I mean, look at this. The key levels are respected. Order block respected. Order block respected. Order block fair value gap over here currently. Oh man, oh man, oh man. So I think I should look into this. On a serious note, I should look into this pair. I might be making some extra profits here. So yeah, we'll see. So now you have your, this is where you get your candles. So if you're using the bar candles, you'll just come to, hey, but this one, guys, I don't know if there is anyone who's using this type of candles, because yeah, this one is powerful. It's only for us. The yeah. If you know how to use this, I mean, you are powerful. It's only for us. This one, the big boys. It's only for us. It's only for us. So yeah. I don't think there's anyone who uses this other than the smart money guys. Yeah, that's us. So then you have the hollow candlestick, which is similar to the normal one. Then you have the line. So the line, just lines there. Yeah, I think that are lines and step lines. Step lines, yeah. Area. So yeah. So here you just change all your candles into your personal preference. So over here, this is where you'll be getting your indicators. So if you are someone who is using RSIs, your moving averages, your, what's this? What are the other indicators? Man, I don't know indicators. I don't use indicators in my trading, so I have no idea. RSI. Let's say, for instance, you want to add RSI on your chart, the relative strength index. So you just click that. I think it should appear on your chart now. So here it is over here. Now you have your RSI. Let's say you also want to add the moving average exponential. So you come over there, you just click it. You have your moving average exponential over here. So yeah. That's how you'll be adding your indicators into your charts. Again, if you want to delete, you come to this and you just cancel. This one, I think you remove it somewhere here. Where is the option? Yeah, you just come over here, you delete the panel. So yeah. So then we move. Then we have the price alert. We have the price alert. So let's say you want to create a price alert on this fair value gap, on this imbalance. You just come and say, let's see, it's 25.45. It's 1.2545. So you just come and create your price alert here. We said it's 1.525. Is that correct? Let me see. What did we say? Yeah, we said it's 1.2545. So we just say 45. Um, then you for if you want to be alert over the email or via the email or on the app, if you have the trading view app on your phone, you can just click this one, notify in the app, so, or via the email. So yeah, so when the price gets to this imbalance over here, it will notify me via the email that our price just got here, or on the app it will notify me that price just got to this level. So yeah, I think I will just leave this level. I just want to see how the price will react when we get to this point. So yeah, moving, when we move, we have our what you call this is our rewind. So this you will use this if you want to back test. So we have our rewind button, our replay our replay button. So yeah, if you want to replay, okay, I think this one, it works on the premium. If you are on the premium package, it'll work, but I think it'll work on the higher time frame. Let me see. Um, let me just, yeah. So if you are not on the premium, it only works on the higher time frame. So yeah, you see, it's playing out. You back testing. So let me start all over. Just want to show you how you use it. Just come to this replay button. Boom. Then you can sell. If you think the market will be selling or buying, you can just, um, execute accordingly. So yeah, you see, I sold over here. So this, you'll use this to back test. If you are somebody who back test on weekends, or you're just starting out with trading, so this is a good um, tool that you can use to backtest the strategy to see the win rate, how good is the strategy. So you just let it play. Let's see, you see it's playing along. We are in profits. These are your profits over here. Yeah. So yeah. See, yeah. It's done backtesting. Now we are currently in the, so yeah. This will be it. So I'll just delete it. Um So here is the chart settings. If you want to change the things in your chart, like your colors of your candlesticks, if you want to use the white candlesticks, white and black, um, see, you can simply, use this one, um, yeah. So I just cancel. Hey, yeah. No. So yeah, if you want to just change the color of your candlestick, the background, everything, you can just come here and select that according to your thing, to what you use. Okay, so yeah, full screen mode. If you want to go into the full screen mode, you just select that button. Okay, now how do you exit the full screen now? Oh boy. Oh, now I don't know how to exit the full screen. Wait, what? Guys, I think I'll just restart the thing. I'll just restart my chart because now I went into full screen mode now, but I'm struggling to navigate back. So, man, my network is taking forever. My internet is slow. I don't know why. Oh boy. Okay. Yeah, it looks like we are back. So yeah, if you want to go for full screen, you just use this button. I don't know how you're going to come back because I don't even know. So yeah, then over here it's where you will take a screenshot if you want to capture your chart, you just come over here, you just download the image, or you just copy the image. You copy the link if you want to to send your friends a nice trade you just took. You just copy the link and send them. Or if you want to tweet to them, you just tweet. Log in with your Twitter account and just tweet the image. So yeah. So on our left hand side here we have the dots. So I don't know what you use these things for. I only know how to use the arrow, the eraser, and the magic. Let's see the magic, guys. I've never used the magic. Okay. I mean, it's kind of fancy, but it's fancy, but I don't know what's the use of this. You just pa 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 pa. Yeah, it's fancy, but I don't know what's the use. So over here you have the trend line. So your trend line, you can easily, draw your lines. Okay, okay. Thank you, Magic. We are done now. Thank you. So if you wanna draw your trend line, just use this one. Guys, the magic thing. I don't know how to use the magic thing. Okay, let's see. Oh no. Okay. Hey. So yeah, this is I was saying this is a trend line. If you want to, if you're trading support and resistance and what technical analysis, yeah, this you'll use it over here. If you want to change the color of your lines, you just come to there. You see your lines are now white, yeah. Yeah. If you want to delete them, just delete over there. Delete, that's your trend line. So there's so many things over here that I don't even use. The vertical lines, I don't use those things. Then over here I have my Fibonacci retracement. So the only reason I use the Fibonacci is to know my discount and the premium phases. So you see, like over there, the 50% of this point from this low and this high, the 50% it's here. So above that, that's my premium. Below the 50% of this, that's the discount. So if I'll be selling, if I'll be taking shorts, I want to sell above the 50% of the Fibonacci, so on the premium. So if I'll be taking longs, I have to take long on the discount below the 50%. So yeah, I only use the Fibonacci for that. So I'll explain later, maybe on some other videos, how I use this Fibonacci. Yeah, so yeah, so that's how I use the Fibonacci retracement. So we have so many things over here. Hey, so many things I don't even know. The patch fan, the Fibo week. So let's see. Oh, yeah. Powerful. So these things they look powerful. Hey, so I think these things I don't use this thing. I never seen it before. So I think this is for those guys in Wall Street. The guys in the Goldman Sachs. The guys in the what's this? JP Morgans, yeah, the guys in the trading floor, I think they know how to use these things, guys. If you know how to use these things, guys, please show us there. Please show us because we don't know. I don't know how to use this or everything over here. The spiral. Oh my gosh. Yeah, okay. I don't know what's this. What's that for? So Moving forward, you have your Elliott, what, Elliott waves. So I know that Elliott wave is a strategy. So I think if you're using Elliott wave, these over here, it should be useful to you. So again, the patterns. So I remember when I was starting out, I used to use this a lot, especially your head and shoulders. So yeah, one thing I know about the head and shoulder, it's something like this: ba, 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 ba. Then the market goes up. Yeah. So I don't know. I no longer use those things. So yeah, thank you. I'm just showing you guys how to use them. So then we have the projections. So on your projections, guys, if you are taking um so this is a very important tool again. Let me move into the let me just so on your projection, so you just say, let's say for instance you took a long over here, so your profit was here. So your stop loss was over here. So you see, one thing about this projection is that the red part, this red session over here, it's all the amount that you're willing to lose. So this green over here, this green session over here, it's the amount that you'll be gaining on this trade. So this one is the amount that you'll be losing. So you can see that your risk reward ratio was 1:4. So that's a very good risk reward ratio. So and again, guys, I've seen some of you guys use something like this. Your stop loss, it's you have a stop loss of high stop loss and equal. Yeah, ne? Wow. So you have the same stop loss as what you're willing to gain. So that's nonsense, guys. Please don't use something like this. Please don't use this type of risk reward ratio, guys. You will never get profitable. Not anywhere. I don't care who the fuck are. You will never get profitable from this type of risk reward ratio. So your risk reward ratio should be always something like this: small losses but huge returns, small losses, huge returns, small losses, huge returns. You see, now I'm even teaching you what's this risk management. Now I'm touching on risk management. I think I should make a video on this. See, should always be something like this. Always something like this. Let's say you were taking the sell, so that I'm also showing you how to use this projection. So if you took a sell over here, you take profit, your stop loss was above this. See, your risk reward ratio here was 1:4. Over here was 1:3. This over here was 1:4. So you see, this thing helps you if you take losses. If you have maybe a drawdown, or if you are going a losing streak, this will help you because you see all these small losses you took. So let's say you took small losses consecutively. Um, you will know that it will take some time for you to blow that account, because now that guys, I'll just touch this. I'll just make a video explaining the risk reward ratio. So simply, this is how you use this projection, guys. I'll just make a video explaining the risk reward ratio because I think it will take some time. It needs some time for me to explain everything. So that's how you use this projection. So Then we have what, the forecast, the bar pattern. So guys, I don't use everything over here. As I mentioned earlier, that I don't use everything. The only thing I use again is the ghost. This is the ghost feed. So I will use ghost feed to project where the price might be heading. So you see, you are able to copy nice candlesticks. If you're expecting price to sell, you can, copy those candlestick like this. So yeah, just use it to project where the price might be going. Then we have this. These are your arrows. If you're thinking of a certain pattern, boom, 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 then boom, boom, boom. So if you think price will move like this, you can also use the same thing. So yeah, yeah. Then you have your text. If you want to add some text on your chart, you can use this to add some text like fair value gap, fair value gap, H. You see, put it on your chart there. Fair value gap, H. So yeah, yeah. So then you have your emojis over here. I don't know who uses emojis. I don't know what you'll use the emojis for. Maybe if you took a loss, you'll just put an emoji there, an angry emoji. Angry, you angry now. So yeah, you just took a loss. NFP. You were not supposed to trade NFP, so you just traded NFP. Then it blew your account. Then you can just put this emoji. Yeah. You angry now. Blew your account. So then we have the measure. So the measure just simply measures maybe the pips that it took for this candlestick and the time. So it measures the pips and the time. So from here to that high, it was 29 pips. It took 29 pips and it took 45 minutes for this candlestick to get to that high. So yeah, that's simply it. So if you wanna zoom your chart, you just zoom. If you wanna zoom over here, you see you zoom, then I so yeah. You see now I don't know how to zoom out. I don't know. Okay, you just zoom out like this. So yeah. Then you have your wick magnet if you want how do you use this? I know how to use this magnet, but I forgot, guys. So these things are not important. Some of the things are not important here. So you have a locker here. So this it just locks all the drawings that they don't get deleted. But anyway, the trading view doesn't delete anything that you place on your chart. So yeah, now let's say you want to delete everything that is on the chart. Let's say you were angry, you took a loss, then you put in some emojis there. So if you want to delete everything that is on your chart, maybe even trend lines, let's say there was a trend line also like this. So if you want to delete everything on the chart, you just come to this button, remove everything, then everything is gone. Yeah, so guys, I think that'll be it. Please make sure you subscribe to my channel because I'm gonna be dropping some educational information. So make sure you like and subscribe, guys. Bye bye.